Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into something that's an absolute game changer for launching your IT career, your professional ePortfolio. If you really want to stand out from the crowd and show employers what you're made of, this is how you do it. Let's get right into it. So for a long time, right, the one-page PDF resume has been the gold standard. But let's be real. It's just a flat, text-only document that can't possibly capture who you are as a modern IT professional. You're dynamic. You've got tons of skills. You work on live interactive projects. Your work is tangible, so the way you introduce yourself to employers should be too. So that's the big question, isn't it? How do you actually bridge that gap? How can you show a potential employer that amazing database you designed or that slick website you coded instead of just, cramming it into a single bullet point? And the answer is the ePortfolio. And look, this is way more than just a personal website. Think of it as your strategic online space, your own digital showroom. This is the place where you prove your technical skills and show employers you're ready to hit the ground running from day one. I absolutely love this way of thinking about it. Your ePortfolio is your digital handshake. It's often the very first impression a company will have of you. So you've got to make it firm, you've got to make it professional, and most of all, you've got to make it memorable. So how do we build that memorable handshake? Well, it all starts with a really solid foundation. In this first section, we're going to break down exactly how to craft those essential core pages. Everything, and I mean everything, starts with your homepage. This is basically the front door to your professional brand. When a recruiter lands here, they need to know who you are and what you're all about, like instantly. It really sets the tone for everything else they're about to see. Okay, the key here is professional clarity. That means a professional headshot, it just builds trust. Have your name and a clear career goal right up front, something like cybersecurity analyst. And make the navigation super clear. You have to remember a recruiter might only spend a few seconds here, so you need to make it incredibly easy for them to see who you are and where they should click next. All right, once you've grabbed their attention with that great first impression, the About Me page is where you really add some depth. This isn't just about repeating your resume, no. This is where you get to tell your professional story and let a little bit of your personality shine through. So what goes into a good story? Well, you should try to connect your academic journey to your future career goals. Explain what really motivates you. Is it solving complex puzzles? Is it all about securing data? This is your chance to show the real person behind all those technical skills and actually connect with an employer on a human level. Okay, with that foundation all set, we're moving on to the most critical part of your ePortfolio. Seriously, this is where you stop just telling them about your skills and you start showing them. Let's get into how to showcase your technical work. This is it. The showcase page is the heart and soul of your entire ePortfolio. This is your personal IT showroom, where your projects, your code, and your designs take center stage. This page is your proof. Now, for every single project you feature, you've got to tell its story clearly. This four-step framework is perfect for that. Start with a goal. Why did this project exist? Then list the tools you used. Be specific about your role. What did you do? And this is so important. Explain what you learned. Following this structure makes sure you're communicating the full value of your work. And to make your showroom really pop, use visuals, screenshots, diagrams, whatever you got. And whenever you can, link out to a live demo or your GitHub. Let employers actually play with your work. But a quick word of warning, a broken link is honestly worse than no link at all, so please test everything. Next up, we need to provide all those supporting details. Your ePortfolio should have a dedicated resume page and another one that reflects on the key courses you've taken. This adds some serious context and credibility to all the cool projects you've just shown off. Let's just run through a quick checklist for this. You'll want a downloadable PDF of your resume, for sure. But don't just stop there. For your courses page, go beyond just listing course numbers. Pick 2 or 3 really impactful ones and reflect on them. What skills did you actually gain? How are you going to apply them? That shows you're a thoughtful learner, and employers love that. And, it goes without saying, absolutely no typos. Okay, so you've built the core pages, you've showcased your work. Now it's time for those final, crucial steps before you share your ePortfolio with the world. Let's talk about that final polish and launch. So when it comes to actually building the site, you've got options. Tools like Google Sites are awesome for beginners. They're super user-friendly, no coding required. But if you really want to show off your coding chops, a platform like Vibe Coding lets you customize everything, and building the site itself becomes a project you can talk about. Just choose the tool that best fits your own goals. Now, before you hit that publish button, I want you to imagine something. Imagine giving someone the address to a P.O. box so they can pick something up, but when they get there, the box is locked and you never gave them a key? Super frustrating, right? Well, that's exactly what happens when you link to a project in your Google Drive or some other private folder, and you forget to change the sharing permissions. You've done all this incredible work, and the recruiter can't even see it. The fix is so simple, but it's absolutely critical. Check your permissions. Before you share anything, just go into that file settings and make sure it's set to anyone with the link can view. And then, and this is the important part, test every single link yourself, maybe from a browser where you aren't logged in. This one simple step can be the difference between getting an interview and a missed opportunity. Finally, right before you launch, do one last professionalism check. Your ePortfolio is a direct reflection of your attention to detail. This means zero spelling errors. It means a truly professional photo, not a selfie. Make sure the design is consistent and clean, and that you have a professional email address for them to contact you. Every little detail matters. And just remember, this is so much more than a class assignment. It's a living document that's going to grow with you your entire career. It's no secret that graduates from top IT programs use tools just like this to launch amazing careers. Why? Because it lets them build their professional brand from the very beginning. So as we wrap up, I just want to leave you with this question. What's that first project you are genuinely excited to showcase to the world? Get that up on your showcase page and just start building. I know you're going to do great work. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck.